Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams links not opening in apps. So what you're gonna do is open search and search for default apps. When you're here, you're gonna scroll down till you find choose default by link type. You're gonna open it and search for Teams. The first link, you're gonna open it and choose Microsoft Teams and set default. This should fix your problem. But if not, you're gonna open the search and search for Microsoft Teams. Then on this little arrow, you're gonna click it and go to app settings. In here, you're gonna scroll down till you find repair and click on it. Wait till it's done, and this should also fix your problem. But if not, you can also try to reset the application. This will delete all the data related to this application, but will also fix your problem. You're gonna reset it, wait till it's done, and then your problem should be fixed.